Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Assist. In this guide video, I will be showing you how to delete Lyft account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, tap on your Lyft application. Now once you open your Lyft application, the interface kind of look like this, and on this following page right on top you can see 3 dash icon or the try a bar option. Tap on it. So as you tap on the try bar icon, on the other side you can see a list of different options. Now right at the bottom in the second last option you can see help. Tap on it. So as you tap on help, on the other page you will land inside the detail about help, and on the third step you can see profile and account. Tap on it. Now once again on the other page, as you tap on profile and account, you'll have a multiple option. Now scroll down and right in between you can see delete my account. Tap on it. So on the other page you will land inside the terms and policy, so make sure to go through it all and then scroll down, and right in the bottom you can see 4 different options. Now right on top there is how to delete your Lyft account. Tap on it. So as you tap on it, the page expands, and right on top you can see delete my account and there is a small arrow icon. Tap on it. So next you will land inside the browser. So next you'll have to enter the phone number that is associated with your Lyft application. Now once you're done entering the phone number, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So next what you have to do is you have to enter the 6-digit code or a verification code that will be sent through your SMS. Now enter the verification code. So on the other page you can see there are 2 different options, that is download data and then delete account. Now as our video is based on delete account, so then you'll have to tap on delete, which is right at the bottom, and then tap on start. So on the other page you'll have to select a reason. So just tap on the arrow icon which is right in the corner. Now once you're done selecting the reason, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So here as you can see on the other page there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it all, and under it you can see please type the word delete below to confirm. So as you can see all the letters are in capital letter right here, so you'll have to do the same process. Now enter all the words in capital, and here as you can see the Lyft account has been deleted. Now that is how you can delete your Lyft account on your device. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.